Right, today we're gonna make a quick meal. Chicken, vegetables, mayonnaise, salad. Well, not salad. It's pretty much like a... You can use it for anything. Sandwiches, eat it by itself. So we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken first, all right? All the chicken. This is canned chicken, all right? Make sure you empty the water when you're doing this. Break it down. All right. Now, take out the water out of the vegetables, all right? Then we get another spoon for the mayonnaise, all right? As much as you want, depends on your liking. All right, we're good. So all we got to do is mix it now. And that should do it. So let's put it in a sandwich. All right. So we're using a croissant, all right, to make our favorite sandwich. So we load it up. You have your jalapenos, your chili, pretty much, and that's it. Let's enjoy a bite with the croissant, or you can do with any bread you want, but look at this. I don't want to add anything yet, but you could add your jalapenos, your chili, more salt if you want, but as it is, it's pretty good. So hope you guys enjoy your meal.